Ecom Squeezed, quick tips from Retail-Outsource. Please like, share, and comment on our videos. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Price Spectre. It is a third-party software which you can use for repricing on eBay. The good thing about Price Spectre is that the pricing is really competitive. So, if you just Google Price Spectre, this is the website. Once you're in, you can see the basic details like frequently asked questions or FAQ, how it works, etc. All the details are here. I'm not going to go through all these. You need to sign up and then link your eBay account to Price Spectre first. Once it's done, you need to leave it for around 30 minutes and it will pull up all your listings and populate them on Price Spectre. Once it's set, you need to click on Tools and choose Price Spectre from the drop-down. Well, there are many options to use from this list, and today I would be focusing on Price Spectre, changing the basic pricing. So I just need to click on Price Spectre, and as you can see, all the listings are populated. What you need to do is find your competition listing and then link it with your listing. This is how you do it. You need to click on Search, and the first and easy option is to use the barcode. If not, you can use the brand and the model. Here, I'm going to use the brand and the model. You do have a choice to filter it out if you want, well, just in case you're looking for a specific one. There are many options like feedbacks, the number of feedbacks, or you can choose the fixed listings or even auctions. Here, I'm using fixed price. And you can also select the condition of the item, new or used. Once you've done your selections, hit search. You can see here that there is one seller who sells it for $21.90 and our price is $21.98. So, once you choose it, you can click on Save and Close. And Price Spectre will track the item and it will change the price according to your settings once it's linked. So, the next step is to put a floor price and a ceiling price. So, once you do that, Price Spectre will fluctuate the prices between these two prices. There are many options to choose from. Normally, I select the lowest, so it will be low by around 1p. Once the algorithm is set, you can switch it on. You do have an option to put notes, if any, and this is the frequency the system will check. Normally, I put it on standard. But if you want to increase the frequency, then it is a premium service. The standard works well. Once done, click Submit, and the listing will be updated and Price Spectre will start tracking the competition and change the price accordingly. Once it's done, you can see that we are the number one based on pricing. Oh, just before I go, let me share the fee structure. So, for example, if you see here, if you have 40 listings, you would only get charged for the listings you switch on. And it's quite formidable in pricing. If you have 200 listings, then it would be around $10. It's a good price compared to the other softwares out there. Well, that's the basics about it. I hope it helps. If you need more, please comment on our video so that I can help you out more. Thank you.